In this video, I'm going to show you how to record drums in Cakewalk. Now, of course, you can go and get your drums connected like physical drums in real life, and then you can use these to actually play them in here inside Cakewalk. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it purely using Cakewalk without needing any equipment, just using virtual instruments, which is, of course, quite convenient if you're just starting out or don't have the equipment. So in this case, to record drums, you want to use MIDI, and to do this, you want to click on this plus button over here, top left, and then when you click on this, you want to switch to instrument. Inside instrument, we want to pick the drums we want to record. So I'm going to click on here, and as you can see, it's going to give you like a bunch of different ones, a bunch of different things, and then here we're going to have things like drum kits, drum pads, etc. I'm going to hover over drum kits right now, and we're actually going to go with some random ones over here. So for example, I'm going to go with hard rock, but of course you can go and use any of these you want, as well as these drum pads, etc. Let me go with hard rock, as I said. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to hit the create button. Now you are going to be given this keyboard over here, and that's going to act like our drums. So as you can see, if I go and click any of these, you can actually hear the drums, okay? It's a piano keyboard, and you can also play it using your keys on your keyboard. But of course, it essentially sounds like the drums you selected, in my case, hard rock. Now, to record these drums, super simple. All you have to do is click on this record button. So to record, enable this track, and make sure this is configured correctly, the input and output. Usually it's going to be correct by default, so you don't even have to mess with it. Click on record enable. Position yourself where you want to start. I'm going to go over here, and you want to hit this main record button, and then you can just start playing, and everything you play is going to get recorded, which is amazing. So if I go and hit this for you right now, and I'm actually going to go and play some things. Okay, like this, I'm going to stop the recording and stop the playback. And as you can see, if I close this, this actually has recorded some drums in here, and that's the easiest way to do it. Now, if I play this for you, it actually does sound like drums, okay? And of course, you can then add a new track the same way we did this and use some other drums as well, some drum pads, etc. And that's going to work, of course, however you want it to work. Now, to actually change this, you want to simply double click it, and it's going to open up this piano roll where you can change things as well, like this, and it's going to take effect. And of course, it's going to also show in here, and it's going to play whenever you play it. Like this, there we go. And of course, if you want to record again, simply hit this button here next to the name of your instrument. It's gonna pop up like that, and you can just start playing again and recording it the way I showed you, okay? So that's one of the easiest ways to record drums in Cakewalk. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.